Former Vice President Atiku Abubakar is in Akwa Ibom State as part of his countrywide consultations. Governor Udom Emmanuel uses the opportunity to lament perceived injustice against the state.
I'm developing one of the smartest and most modern airport development in this continent. But the simplest, appreciation I could have gotten from the federal government would have been to give me a fuel jet A1 dump as a oil and gas producing state. But I don't have it, sir. The simplest thing I could have been supported with would have been ExxonMobil to let those gas breathe onshore, let industries come and make use of them here. But I don't have that.
Governor Emmanuel laments the impact of poor policies on oil-bearing communities.
It does not take anything. Federal government owns 60% of all the IOCs. All it takes is just a statement from the center to say IOCs relocate our 60% to the communities that you're extracting the oil. The entire economy of those communities will change.
He appreciates the visit and notes Atiku's sterling qualities.
So we're looking for a leader who can just see what we are seeing.
The Waziri Adamawa points out that Governor Emmanuel is a shining light in the country.
The industrialization policy of the governor, and then coupled with the social sector development, healthcare, education. These are very key areas of human development.
Atiku maintains that the difference between the PDP and APC is huge.
The selling point, for the PDP is just compare the economic indices for the PDP during the PDP reign and also during the APC reign. You find that, the growth in GDP, the industrialization, in other sectors of the economy, we did extremely well.
A member of the entourage and former governor of Niger State, Babangida Liu, describes Governor Emmanuel as a silent achiever.
Nigeria, given the circumstance, needs the assistance and help of good people. And we consider you one of the best.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.